In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix BlueStacks not connecting to internet. We will go through a couple of simple checks so you can get BlueStacks back online and loading apps again. First, check your internet connection. On your computer, open any web browser you like. It could be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whatever you usually use. When the browser opens, look at the top and click into the address bar. Type in a site you know, like a news site or a search page, and press enter. Give it a moment and watch what happens. If the page appears normally, with images and text loading, that tells you your computer is actually online. If nothing loads, or you see a message about no internet or a DNS problem, then BlueStacks will not connect either, because it uses the same connection. If websites do not load at all, restart your router. Find the router or modem that gives your computer internet. On most home setups, it is the small box with blinking lights where the internet cable comes in. Unplug the power cable from the router. Wait about 15 to 20 seconds, then plug it back in. The lights will usually turn off, then start blinking again as it reconnects. This can take up to 2 minutes. While that happens, try not to change anything on your computer. Once the lights settle and you have a steady internet light, go back to your browser and refresh the page. If the site now loads, your connection is restored and BlueStacks will be able to use it as well. With your internet checked, the next move is to restart BlueStacks. Close BlueStacks completely from the window first. Click the X in the top right corner and wait for the window to disappear. Some beginners stop here and assume it is closed, but BlueStacks often keeps background tasks running. Those leftover tasks can block a fresh connection, so we will shut them down cleanly. Now open Task Manager using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Press all three keys together once. You should see the Task Manager window appear, usually with a list of apps at the top and background processes below. If you only see a small simple view with very few items, click More Details at the bottom left so all processes are visible. This lets you find every BlueStacks entry in one place. Next, end all BlueStacks processes. In the Task Manager list, look for anything with BlueStacks in its name. Click a BlueStacks entry once to highlight it, then click End Task in the bottom right. You might see several items, such as the main BlueStacks app and some services. Go through them one by one and end each BlueStacks item. As you do this, they will disappear from the list, which confirms they are closed. Taking the time to end them all ensures no stuck process keeps using a broken network session. After that, reopen BlueStacks. Use your desktop shortcut or the Start menu to launch it again. The BlueStacks window will load from a clean state and then check your now working internet connection. Try opening the Play Store or any app that needs online access and see if it loads content. If it does, you have successfully fixed BlueStacks not connecting to the internet by refreshing both your network and the emulator. If this walkthrough got BlueStacks back online for you, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like tips like this, consider subscribing as well.